This is not just your regular M5. This is the M5 Competition with carbon ceramic brakes. And one of the things I absolutely love about this car are the options it gives you with the M1 and M2. You see, when it's in regular mode, like it is now, and I want to rev up the car, this is what it sounds like. However, when I press the M1, listen to it now. Ho, ho, ho. But when I press the M2, whoa, ho, 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 ho. Everything gets switched off in M2, so I'm not going to drive it with the M2. I'll put it back into M1, and I'll just give this a quick first impression review and take it for a short point of view test drive and tell you what I think of it. I put these videos out every couple of days of reviews on different sorts of cars. I take them for test drives. Feel free to subscribe to the channel and please like this video. Thank you so much. Now, the car is great. It's BMW all around. So it's got the iDrive system, the best in the business. You got the menu buttons on the iDrive system, or you can use the rotary dial. I'm going to put it briefly, just press map. I'm not going to keep on here because it does flash on the screen. But it's very, very simple to use. It's all BMW. I'm not going to do a review on the iDrive system, but for now I'll just put it back in media because it doesn't flash so much. Got the air vents. You have your memory radio stations with a physical volume button. You got the climate control that you put on by just touching these tabs. It's great. I'm going to keep it on low for now because it's a hot day today. Going further down, you have a wireless charger point for your phone, your cup holders, USB socket, 12-volt socket, gear selector with the different gear changing modes. You know, if you I'm not going to go into it now, but in short, it's when it holds it in gear for longer the higher and lower you press it. Right, you got your iDrive system, your parking brake, armrest, nice and simple. Seats are extremely comfortable, very supportive. Glove compartment, decent size. Door bins, bottle holders, also decent size. Yeah, it's great. Great all around. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Your steering wheel has all the regular stuff on it, your lane assist and your cruise control, your volume control. Cockpit is in front of you. You could change different views on here, which again I'm not going to go into on this video. But one thing I will say, which is very cool in this car, and that is the electric seats. Obviously the controls are down the side over here, but when I just put my hands, hover over the seats, the screen comes on here, and if I put it on a certain specific button, it highlights where my finger is. Do you see it moving? And when I press it, let's say the back, and I want to push it forward, it will move forward, move back, and it moves back. If I want to move just the front section forward, it shows it on there. It's brilliant. Move the whole seat forward and it moves around. I really like that. Anyway, I'm going to take it for a very short drive and see how it drives. It's currently in the M1 Sport mode. Put it in drive. There we go. And off we go. Currently in Hendon, Mill Hill area of London. It's a lovely day today, and I'll just take on a few side roads over here and see how it feels. And straight away in the M mode, it is a little bit choppier, it is a little bit sportier, because if I take it off and just put it regular, there we go, it's more civilized. I'm going to open the window so that you can hear the exhaust a little bit. Now that it's in regular mode, there's not much to hear. But if I change this to the M1 mode, you know what, we're going under a bridge. So let's do a proper naughty. Ready, steady, and go. This car is so bloody powerful. Oh my god. Wow. Wow. Yeah, it's a very, very powerful car. Be very cautious when you get into this and drive it. When you put your foot on that throttle, it is bloody dangerous. Oh, wow. Right, let's see how it drives up these roads. I'm going to put it back into civilized mode. I call it civilized mode because it just means regular, not sporty mode. And I gotta tell you, it drives nice. It's very sharp. The handling on this car is second to none. There's literally nothing like it. I mean, you turn the wheel, oh, it just grips onto the road. It changes direction extremely quickly. It's just brilliant. I really like this car. I absolutely love it. This must be one of the best sporty cars out there. Let's put it back into M1 and let's go. Whoa. Woof. There we go. Wow. Whew. That is something else. That is something else. Oh, literally, you fall back onto the seat. You put your foot to the, press the pedal to the metal, and you fall back on the seat. Look, let's try it again. Actually, I'm not going to try it here because I don't have clear vision of what's in front of these cars here. Yeah. Wow. All right, let's go. This car is unbelievable. Absolutely, it's unreal. What a machine. What a machine, this car. Whew. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to give it a like. Get involved in the comment section. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. And have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.